Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we do all the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing the Hiturbo drone with 1080p camera, let's call it Hiturbo, and the Chuburi super enduring brushless motor drone, which we'll just call Chuburi. So which one should you trust to capture your epic adventures and maybe even stalk your neighbors? Just kidding, let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with everyone's favorite topic, money. Hiturbo comes in at a wallet-friendly $79. Meanwhile, Chuburi is asking for a bit more love at $149. So if your budget is tighter than a pair of skinny jeans on Thanksgiving, Hiturbo might be your go-to. But wait, does paying more actually get you more? Let's find out. Next up, cameras. Hiturbo's got a 1080p camera that can be manually adjusted to see what's in front or below. Perfect for those look ma, no hands moments. Chuburi, on the other hand, boasts a 2K HD camera that you can adjust within 90 degrees using the remote or the app. Reviewers say Chuburi's camera quality is excellent and stable, making it ideal for capturing high-quality photos and videos. It's like the difference between watching a movie on VHS and Blu-ray. Sorry, Hiturbo, but Chuburi's got the edge here. Now let's talk about battery life. Hiturbo offers 2 batteries, each giving you about 12 minutes of flight time. That's 24 minutes in total. Not bad, right? But then Chuburi swoops in with 3 upgraded batteries that provide up to 84 minutes of flight time. Reviewers are thrilled with Chuburi's extended flight time, which allows for longer adventures. That's more airtime than a marathon of your favorite TV show. Chuburi, you win this round too. Features. Hiturbo has some cool tricks up its sleeve like altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and the ever-so-handy one-key takeoff landing. But Chuburi is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It's got one-key starts landing, optical flow positioning, altitude hold, follow me, 3D flips, headless mode, speed adjustment, gesture selfie, and trajectory flight. Reviewers appreciate Chuburi's additional features, which make it versatile and fun to use. I half expect it to make me a cup of coffee in the morning. Finally, let's talk durability. Hiturbo is easy to operate and perfect for kids and beginners, but you have to recalibrate the gyroscope every time you turn it on or after a crash. Chuburi, however, features strong alloy brushless motors and upgraded composite material, making it more resistant to falls and collisions. Reviewers note that Chuburi is made of high-quality plastic and can withstand more abuse. It's like comparing a paper plane to a fighter jet. Sorry, Hiturbo, but Chuburi is built like a tank. Overall, reviewers appreciate the Hiturbo drone for its affordability, ease of use, and suitability for beginners, especially kids. However, the camera quality and battery life are seen as limitations. On the other hand, Chuburi receives praise for its superior camera, extended battery life, and durability, although some users experienced issues with stability and control. So there you have it, folks. If you're looking for a budget-friendly starter drone, Hiturbo is a great option. But if you want more features, longer flight time, and durability that can survive a toddler's tantrum, Chuburi is your best bet. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss another Buy Smart showdown. Until next time, fly high and buy smart. Product links are in the description.